Hello, my name is Teacher Mick. Welcome to my channel, Make English Easy. On this channel, I will teach you clear and simple English. To get the best from this channel, you must repeat the basic lessons every day until you can recognize all 26 letters. In these videos, I will use basic words, short sentences, and easy examples. This channel is for everyone who wants to understand English better and speak more clearly. If you want to learn English step by step, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell for notifications. Thank you. Let's start and make English easy together.
With Teacher Mick, alphabet to reading, learn with Teacher Mick, reading really quick, yeah. Teacher Mick, alphabet to reading, learn with Teacher Mick, reading with Teacher Mick, yeah.
Lesson 13, the letter X, Part 4. In this lesson, we learn that X can make different sounds. So let's learn this today. Here I have two examples where X can sound like Z. Repeat after me. Z, Z, Z. Do you know what this musical instrument is called? And the answer is xylophone. Repeat after me. Xylophone, xylophone, xylophone. This one is difficult. It's the gas inside the light. And the answer is xenon. Repeat after me. Xenon, xenon, xenon. Here is one example where the letter X makes the sound X. Do you know what this image is? And the answer is X-ray. Repeat after me. X-ray, X-ray, X-ray. Thank you to my subscribers and goodbye.
Learning English with Teacher Mick. Learning English with Teacher Mick. Learning English with Teacher Mick.